Hey friends, Min from On a Stamp Page. I'm here with a card for this month's Rainbow Card Challenge. And as you can see, our color is red. It's a Charmingly Cherry challenge. And I decided I thought about going Christmas, I thought about going Valentine's and love, but I decided in the end to use this darling stamp that I haven't used forever from Great Impressions and do a quick birthday card. So I've already got everything ready and I'm just going to talk you through how I came up with what I'm going to do. So I like different elements on my cards and I decided this one was going to be a little shabby chic. So my go-to shabby chic is polka dots, doily, ribbon. So I knew I was going to do that, and basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to layer all this together with the little image over to the side, leave it without a sentiment, and call it good, because that is how quick and easy this fun layout always is for me. So go ahead and watch. I'm going to speed this up and put some music to it, and then at the end I will show you our finished card. Here we go. And there we go. There is our Charmingly Cherry birthday card. It's so awesome how quick and easy something can go when you know the layout already and you have all the elements ready to go as well. So thank you guys so much for stopping by to take a peek at my shabby chic birthday card in a Charmingly Cherry color scheme. I hope that you join us this month at the Rainbow Card Challenge. The link is down in the description box below. And until next time, hugs and happy stamping, friends. Bye.